Week 2 in Introduction to Psychology. I'm coming here from my office today. And as we enter into week 2, I know that this has been a little bit of orientation to my expectations in the class. And when we review what was due this week, I'm well aware that some of you have actually had some difficulty getting to those things. So here we are in our class, and we go to content, and then click on course timeline. And here's the stuff that was due during week 1 was to read the textbook, chapter 1, read the course book, chapter 1, complete these assignments, and to find these assignments, this chapter 1 quiz, chapter 1 assignment, you go down into this place right here, click right there, and there's the quiz, and there's the assignment. Now, we're getting into week 2, we're moving ahead into Chapter 2, Psychological Research, so you'll be getting into that, and Chapter 2 quiz. We'll be discussing that this week. However, you can still take Chapter 1 quiz and Chapter 1 assignment. If you're still having trouble with this, let's talk about it after class. We need to get the technology dealt with, get you on the road to success so that we can continue our talk about psychology. So this week we will be looking at research methods, Chapter 2, and at the same time you still have the ability to go into Chapter 1 quiz and Chapter 1 assignment. Chapter 1 quiz had to do with the goals of psychology. Those are the ones I wanted you to kind of think about, and I think I even said you didn't have to do those yet. And then the assignment is actually the looking up the biography of a famous psychologist and writing a resume, like in a resume format. Rather than just doing a little biography, I'm actually having you write a resume, with their credentials as if they're applying for a job. So I will see you in class, and don't worry about the due dates right now. We're going to work out the technology, and if you have any questions, let's go over them when we meet this week. All right, I'll see you then.